Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'll show you a video FurniAi asset center function. So what does this asset function means is like center means like anything you create, images you put in all these folders, okay, it will appear in here where you use your template, okay. You can see it's all in here. So no matter how many you create, it will be all in here using as your template, your own preference template, as you can see in here. So usually in product, see, as you can come inside here, everything's all from the product and stuff like that. Alright. So to create the the images, okay, into asset center, okay, so show you guys to come into gallery, okay, come into it here. So here you can create a new folder and here you got upload. So create a new folder, and then sketches, save, okay. In here, left click one time, press upload. Okay, so you drag your images. So I here got one set of images. So I drag and drop. Okay, so image cannot be exceed 20 MB, video cannot be exceed 400 MB, audio cannot be exceed 20 MB, upload can be 100 at a time. Okay, once you convert, press confirm import. Okay, once your upload complete, it will look something like this. Alright, so I can upload one more. This time I call empty space. Okay, it can be renamed if you want to rename. So even rename to like this also can. Alright. So from here I got empty space room. Upload. So same method. Okay, once complete, so there you have it. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.